Hi everyone, welcome back to another smartphone repair video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix an iPhone 13 mini that won't turn on. So let's get started. First, I checked the logic board for any short circuit using a multimeter. And the multimeter shows no short circuit. Now, I'm going to disconnect all the connectors and take out the logic board. After that, I will remove the shields on the logic board and put it on the preheating station to separate the two layers of the board. Next, I will clean the thermal compound from the top of the chip. Now I'm going to connect the top part of the logic board to the device and see if it powers on or starts charging. The device still doesn't turn on, and there is no sign of charging. Now, let's move under the microscope, and I'll show you how to replace the charging power IC. I will apply some flux and carefully use the hot air gun to remove the chip from the board. Once the chip is removed, I'll carefully solder the soldering iron and then clean the excess solder using solder wick. Now, I will install a new charging power IC by aligning it accurately in the socket. After that, I'll use the hot air gun to carefully apply airflow until the IC is fully soldered in place.
So now time to test.
Now I will reconnect the board to the device and perform a full test to ensure everything is functioning correctly.
Yes.
All right, the device powers on and indicates charging, confirming that the problem has been successfully resolved. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.